Bob, you have the Supreme Court, again, did not rule on the legality of the law, but it is nevertheless still a victory.
A big victory for voters, a big victory for the struggle. You're going to talk to William Barber soon in the announcement here in North Carolina yesterday when he talked about his transition. We had a church full of people, and it was a huge celebration, and people were just elated. It's been a multi-year campaign to overturn this law, the monster law.
And I don't think people really understand this law goes beyond voter ID.
Absolutely. It's been under the cover of the voter ID, which is a very popular slogan, and lots of states have IDs, but they also have a lot of fail-safe or backup methods for people who don't have them. The North Carolina one was very strict, and under the cover of just this popular slogan, oh, let's make people show an ID, they took away provisions that had helped North Carolina come up from the bottom. We were in the bottom 12 states for voter turnout throughout the entire 20th century, and it was only when we started getting early voting, we enacted same-day registration during early voting. We allowed people to vote out of precinct on Election Day if they were in the right county, and those things helped pull us up from like in the 40th up to the 12th. We were number 12 in turnout. And so then they surgically went after these provisions that actually had helped African American turnout, but they helped Republicans too. I'll tell you, in 2016, because of the stay while the Supreme Court was looking at this whole thing, we actually had same day in place in the 2016 election, and Republicans used it even more than the Democrats because of the surge of the Trump voters, many of whom had their registrations lapsed or they were new voters. They actually used this same-day provision, too. So it wasn't, it's not just for black folks. It disproportionately helped people who are transient or who are poor, who are students, and so on. But we had 100,000 people in the 2016 November election who were able to have their voice heard because of same-day registration. So that's actually the biggest tool that was in play, not just the ID.
All right, Bob, we certainly appreciate it. Congratulations on this victory.
Thank you.